Poets see the world in a grain of sand. IC technologists transform the world with sand. Our world has evolved from a computer to the internet to AI beyond imagination. And the key driver is transistor innovation. From planar transistors to 3D FinFET, coupled with lithography advancement. From dry to immersion to EUV technologies, transistors continue to scale to enhance performance, reduce power and area. Today, nanosheet technology, coupled with innovative backside power delivery, boosts density and chip performance. What's next? CFETs. Vertically stacking NMOS and PMOS together will further increase density and improve performance and power efficiency. For system integration, following 2D and 2.5D packaging technologies, 3D chip stacking and packaging are now the backbone of AI innovation, combining logic and high-bandwidth memory chips to maximize performance and power efficiency. Soon, we'll house over 1 trillion transistors on a 3D IC chip, elevating system performance to another level. In addition, specialty technology innovations, bridging the physical and digital world, will open our world to new possibilities. Yes, we'll continue to explore new technology frontiers, making our world smarter, more sustainable, and more beautiful.